Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify too much space. To know how to fix how to solve Spotify too much or you have too much space, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on force stop. Then we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this window or in this sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.